Welcome to our comparison of the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 and the Panasonic B42. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your grooming needs. We'll dive into their battery life, versatility, and precision trimming capabilities, so stay tuned. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 stands out with its 23 attachments, making it suitable for various grooming tasks, including beard, head, and body trimming. In contrast, the Panasonic B42, while effective, offers fewer attachments and focuses primarily on beard trimming with its adjustable length settings. This makes the Norelco a better choice for those seeking an all-in-one solution. When it comes to precision, the Panasonic B42 excels with its 19 adjustable length settings, allowing for very specific trimming lengths. The Philips Norelco, while it provides good precision, does not offer the same level of customization. Therefore, for users who prioritize precise beard grooming, the Panasonic may be the better option. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 offers an impressive battery life of up to 5 hours, making it ideal for extended grooming sessions. On the other hand, the Panasonic B42 has a shorter battery life of approximately 50 minutes. This significant difference can impact your grooming routine, especially for those who prefer longer use without frequent recharging. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 and the Panasonic B42 have their strengths. If you need versatility and long battery life, the Philips Norelco is the way to go. However, if precision and a compact design are your priorities, consider the Panasonic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.